suffering from sciatica pain, let's tap with EFT. Let's simply close your eyes and scale this pain in the scale of 0 to 10. How strong is this pain? 0 being no problem, 10 being very high. Remember the number, note down this number. Let's start working. Tap like this and say, even though I have this sciatica pain, I deeply and completely love myself, accept myself, and forgive myself. Even though I'm going through this pain, this sciatica pain, I deeply and completely accept myself, love myself, and I forgive myself. Now roll around on your chest and say, I accept myself even though I'm feeling this severe pain, sciatica pain. I completely love myself, accept myself, and I forgive myself, even though I have this pain, this sciatica pain. Tap one more time like this. Even though I'm suffering from this severe sciatica pain, I deeply and completely accept myself and love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have this strong pain from sciatica, I deeply and completely accept myself and I forgive myself. Now let's tap on your eyebrow and say, this sciatica pain. Temple, this sciatica pain. Under the eye, this sciatica pain. On the chin, this sciatica pain. You say how you say, sciatica or sciatica, whatever you say. Under the nose, this sciatica pain. Temple, this sciatica pain. Forehead, this sciatica pain. Top of the head, this sciatica pain. Under the armpit, this sciatica pain. Wrist together, this sciatica pain. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Now scale in the scale of 0 to 10 where you are. Is it going down? That's great. And if it's not going down, still keep tapping. Let's tap on your thumb. Say, this strong sciatica pain. Index finger, this strong sciatica pain. Middle finger, this sciatica pain. Small finger, this sciatica pain. Now, karate chop, this sciatica pain. Take a long breath. Breathe out. Now, tap between small and ring finger. Keep thinking of the sciatica pain, this severe pain, strong pain that you are going through. What does it make you feel? Think all of it. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look to the right, to the left. Turn your eye around, other way around. Now sing your favorite song. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sing one more time. Any song. Now take a long deep breath. Breathe out. One more time. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's scale in the 0 to 10 where you are. The number should be going down, and keep repeating a few more times until the number and the pain comes to your desired state.